Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to go over how to change the light bulbs in your 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. To get started, first thing we're going to do, unlock the truck. Go on down here. That little latch is pretty dark, but anyway, there's a latch right there. Pop the hood. Come back around to the front. This guy, that little tab right there, push that over to the side, hood comes up, and then you're going to locate your dust covers here and here. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to locate your dust cover here, and you're going to twist it like so until it stops twisting. And then there's a little tab down here at the bottom. Pull it off. Get that dust cover out of the way. Then you'll reach inside, grab your light, and unclip it. There's a clip right there. Just pull it out. Boom. Unclipped. Just like that. And then you're going to unscrew your old one counterclockwise. And it just comes right out. Now to reinstall your new light, you're going to want to basically just do those steps in reverse. Big things to pay attention to though are not putting any fingerprints on your light bulb. Once you get it in, twist it down and reclip. Just like that. And then your dust cover with this little tab here pointed at the 6 o'clock position, basically pointed all the way down. Secure it in and twist it back on. And that's it. Like I said, big things to pay attention to are just not getting any fingerprints and oil and anything like that on your halogen bulb. LEDs, I'm not really sure if it's a big deal or not, but on these halogens, you don't want to touch it with your fingers. That's why I'm wearing gloves. All right, that's all there is to it.